In this video, I'll show you how to remove a channel from Roku. Step 1, use Roku Remote. From the Roku home screen, scroll to the channel you want to remove. Press the star button on your Roku remote to open the options menu. Select Remove Channel and press OK. Confirm that you want to remove the channel. Step 2 is to remove via the Roku mobile app. Open the Roku mobile app and sign in with your Roku account. Tap on Devices and select your Roku device. Tap on Channels or My Channels to see installed channels. Press and hold the channel you want to remove, then select Remove and confirm. Step 3, Notes on Subscriptions channels. If the channel is a subscription channel, cancel the subscription separately before removal. Just removing it will not cancel the subscription. Cancel subscriptions by highlighting the channel, then pressing the star button. This will open the options menu. Then select Manage Subscription and then Cancel Subscription. Now I have some tips and notes. Removing a channel deletes it from your Roku device but does not cancel any associated subscriptions automatically. Make sure to cancel subscriptions separately to avoid future charges. Some channels may require PIN entry for removal if parental controls are active. And that is how you remove a channel on Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.